Hello everyone. Recently Tailwind CSS and DaisyUI launched their latest version. So some of us having problem using Tailwind CSS and DaisyUI in our React projects. So I'll show you today how we can use Tailwind CSS and DaisyUI on our React projects. So here you can see we have a blank React installation with white. We'll start from here. Our server is running on localhost. If I refresh, this is a blank installation, actually the template. So let's start with Tailwind CSS version 4. If we visit tailwindcss.com and click get started, we can see the installations guide. We can just simply copy and paste it on the terminal and just simply follow the instructions. See, firstly it told us to install Tailwind CSS. After that we need to configure the white configuration file. Here we can see the white configuration file already. The installation is going over here. We need to see if we can compare with this, and also the lines we need to copy are highlighted over here. We need to copy this line, we need to import, and then simply we need to add Tailwind CSS inside the plugins. So we have already React over here. We'll simply give a comma and paste our Tailwind CSS. And the next thing we need to do, we need to import Tailwind CSS on our CSS file. Let me copy the instructions, and we need to put this import Tailwind CSS into our CSS file, which is index.css. See, I'll remove all the CSS files from here and just simply paste it over here. Our server is still running. You can see the changes already being applied. The text size already is the same. Seems Tailwind is working. For more assurance that Tailwind is working, let me show you from here the white and React title. Let me add a class name. I'm making the text size bigger, maybe text 6XL, and click save and refresh. So see, the Tailwind is installed and working successfully. The next thing we want to do is install Tailwind, the DaisyUI version 5. See, if we visit DaisyUI.com, we can see there is a latest version coming in 27 days. Let's try the beta version now. Click try beta now, and then we need to copy this installation command and paste it over the terminal. It will install the DaisyUI beta version 5 actually, and we need to add this into our CSS file. We already added this from Tailwind, and in this now we will add copy this and add it inside our CSS file, simply like this. And the next thing we need to do is we need to take a component to check is it working or not. So let's take a component from DaisyUI, like components, and take a card actually. See, let's take this card and check if it's working or not. Copy the card and go back to app.csx, and here we can simply put it after the title. See, I paste it over here. The card is over here. Tailwind CSS and DaisyUI both are working completely fine. Hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.